Here I've got Denver SDQ-52001G, and let me show you how to block a number on the following device. So at first you have to open the phone dialer, then tap on the More icon, select Settings, and here you will notice Call Blocking. So just click here, and if you would like to add some number to your blacklist, if you would like to block some contact or unknown number, just click here and then enter the particular number. Tap on Block then, and as you can see, from now on this number will not be able to reach you, so you will not receive any calls or messages from this blocked number. Then whenever you would like to unblock it, all you have to do is to click on this cross icon, click on Unblock, and that's it. So it has been done. And that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.